fucking rich, shit get into my head. Shit get into my head.
FaZe Banks posts new Instagram story claiming he uses the same perfume as Playboi Carti. Geo leaks Playboi Carti's perfume live on Neon stream. That's really my twin. Yo, FaZe Banks, you are 45 years old. 45. I slowed down the video of Ice Spice getting attacked at McDonald's so you can see how hard her head hits the ground. Yo, first off, why is the Biggest Munch eating MSG fucking slop? Why McDonald's? Out of every single fast food spot you could enjoy and devour, you choose McDonald's, bro? Yo, Ice Spice, you're too rich for McDonald's. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't care, like, what? Like, MSG of hell. Like, why would you even put yourself in an environment with such low vibrational customers? Like, for real. Damn. She got high ground. Nah, she dead got high ground. Oh shit, they went outside? I didn't see this part. Oh shit. The fuck? Bro, this, oh my gosh, bro. I can't stand my PC. Yo, what'd y'all eat today? I just had a KFC chicken with some sour cream and onion Lay's and some white cheddar popcorn. And 2 bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits. Damn. Yo, wait, why is it lagging? Hold on. Bro, this shit keeps lagging, dog. Fucking hate this PC, bro. Yo, fuck Ronnie and fuck Mike Wayne, dude. It's just pitiful. Absolutely pitiful. First stream back in 5 days and it does this shit, bro. Wow. What a nice welcome back greeting from my computer. Fucking goyslop. Okay, shit's still lagging. Yeah, this shit mad blurry. Damn. Mrs. Spice is down. Got back up though. Right back up though. Real New Yorker. Real Bronx bets. They knock you down, get right back up. Nah, inspirational, man. Honestly, Ice Spice is one of the most inspirational figures of this generation. Big top. But nah, yeah, that's crazy. Why are you eating McDonald's, ISIS? Why Mickey D's? I haven't ate Mickey D's in like 4 months, 5 months. Bro, that shit is not good for you, bro. That shit makes you tired. That is literally bottom tier sub 5 goyslop. Dead ass. McDonald's is not good eats on any day of the week, bro. I don't care what occasion you have, bro. McDonald's is never good eats. Eat something better. It's literally how you get bloated.
I've been happy for a while. I ain't for the smile. I ain't for the smile. Hoping I for a while. She tryna hold me down.